Welcome. This is a tutorial for SmartView managing a telecom switch. This quick tutorial should be viewed after EMS is installed. We'll take a managed fiber media converter, the FRM220A, 1000 EASX, and configure the SNMP, and then we'll manage it under EMS. So what we're going to do here is go to the SNMP item, and we're going to put in our manager IP. We'll use the public community string as a read-only, and we'll use a private community string as our read-write. Next, we'll go to the trap tab, and we'll put in our trap receiver, which is the same IP. And we'll use the community string public, and we'll use SNMP v2c trapping. So that's the initial configuration. Next is to configure the alarms. And we're going to have both major and minor. Our major alarms will be any fiber link down, and a minor alarm will be a remote UTP link down. Okay, then we apply those parameters. Alright, now let's start our EMS server. And we'll go to our setting, log in with admin with 4 zeros. Now we could manually add the agent, but a quick way to add is if you know the IP address, use the discovery. And search. And we found our OEM switch. And we click manage, double check everything, make v2c public, private for the right community, and click OK. Okay, so now under agents we have this one device. We need to go to brokers and pull that agent. We'll use a default puller. Okay, the next thing we could do is we could add a new user. I'm Steve, so I'm going to use I'm going to be an administrator and an operator. I guess, yeah. All right, and the other thing we could do is check our device here and make sure that we have all the row accesses. Okay. We can minimize this. Now let's go to our SmartView client. Now this client is actually running on the server, but it could be running remotely. Let me use my username and password. Okay, so I'm logged in. I'm going to go full screen here. All right, we're going to add a tree first. I'm going to call this tree root. I'm going to select a tree, and I'm going to add a node, and I'm going to give it a location. And I'm going to connect that location and add a device. And I'll go to device view. And we can see that we have the 1000 EASX. You can see local and remote. And currently Fiber 2 link is down. Let's go to our traps. Now we should expect to get a trap, a major alarm trap, if Fiber 1 is disconnected. So let's disconnect Fiber 1 and see what happens. And there we go. We have a major alarm. Fiber 1 link down. We'll reconnect. We have another trap for the fiber link up. And what we didn't do is we didn't look at the alarm. The alarm, let's do it one more time. We disconnect the fiber. This will give us a trap. And it also gives us a fiber link down. Warning. Now if we want fiber link to be a more critical alarm, what we can do here is modify and make fiber link down be a major error. Well, at least for Fiber 1. Okay, now we can see fiber link down 1 is a major alarm. Now let's reconnect the fiber. And the alarm will disappear as the alarm condition is corrected. However, traps will still show fiber link up and down. So that's how the traps and alarm work. The other thing you can do is configuration. For example, if you want to look at the OAM counters, you can clear the counters. You can even do VLAN setting, spanning tree, or you can work on fiber to disable a port or change the speed. Any changes you make here, be sure to click apply and those changes will be made to the device. So that is basically what we have here for the short tutorial of SmartView managing a telecom switch. Thanks for watching. You can always contact us at techsupport@ctcu.com if you have any questions. This will give us a ticket in our ticket system, and we'd be very happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you again.